Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best air conditioning manifolds is probably one of the most essential tools for HVAC technicians, offering precise control and accurate readings for refrigerant charging, system diagnostics, and leak detection, ensuring your air conditioning system runs efficiently and reliably, making it an indispensable part of any professional's toolkit for maintaining optimal performance and customer satisfaction. Number 5. Orion Motor Tech AC Gauge Set. This professional automotive AC tool kit includes everything you need. It features a 3-way gauge, color-coded hoses, quick couplers, an adapter, and versatile taps for easy refrigerant handling. Experience superior performance with our hybrid anti-shock gauges. The oil-filled core resists wear and shock, while the dry dial ensures excellent winter performance. Constructed from durable brass, ABS, and rubber, this set is built for years of heavy-duty use. Monitor your coolant's condition with the built-in moisture indicator and ensure accuracy with calibration screws. Easily identify your connections with color-coded hoses, blue for low, red for high, and yellow for charging. These reinforced PVC hoses are designed to handle daily pressure up to 600 psi. This versatile set is compatible with R134A, R12, R22, and R502 refrigerants. It's perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals for various HVAC maintenance tasks. What we like. This set offers robust durability with its solid brass construction and hybrid anti-shock gauges, ensuring reliable performance. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, long-lasting tool for various automotive AC systems, this is a great choice. What people say. Good tool was able to repair my Mercedes-Benz AC with this gauge set, as well as install my mini split AC. The manifold worked fine out of the box. No apparent leaks. New set had the gaskets and it has worked great. Number 4. Yellow Jacket 42006 Series 41 Manifold. Meet the Yellow Jacket 42006 Series 41 Manifold, designed for precision and durability. It's built to handle your essential tasks with ease. Featuring clear, color-coded scales, this tool ensures you can read measurements at a glance. This makes your work more efficient and accurate. Its innovative design includes sliding double O-ring pistons. This significantly reduces wear, ensuring a longer lifespan for the tool. Equipped with long-life nylon seats, it offers enhanced durability. You can rely on its robust construction for consistent performance. This manifold is a compact yet powerful addition to your toolkit. It provides the reliability you need for R22, 134A, and 404A refrigerants. Experience the difference with its thoughtful engineering. It's designed to meet the demands of professional use, ensuring optimal results. What we like. Featuring color-coded scales for easy reading and durable components like sliding pistons and nylon seats, this manifold is built for longevity. If you prioritize straightforward operation and reduced wear for R22 and R134A systems, this is a solid option. What people say. The gauges have proved to be rugged and accurate. Good American quality. Like the built-in storage nipples. The manifold worked a treat during the recharge job. It has very solid, simple construction and all of the fittings sealed perfectly. The gauges were nice and accurate. Number 3. TESTO 550 Digital Manifold Kit. Introducing the TESTO 550 Digital Manifold Kit, designed for air conditioning, refrigeration systems, and heat pumps. It also features convenient Bluetooth support. This device is built to withstand harsh environments with its sturdy housing and 2-way valve block. It can store data for up to 60 refrigerants, making it highly efficient. With 2 temperature-compensated pressure sensors, it accurately determines high and low pressure, as well as evaporation and condensation temperatures. You can rely on its precision. It offers multiple functions, including displaying temperature differences, performing temperature-compensated leakage tests, and calculating superheating and subcooling. This provides comprehensive insights. The kit includes 2 pipe clamp temperature probes for reliable measurement and a protective hardshell case. Everything you need is included for immediate use. Connect wirelessly via Bluetooth to a smartphone or tablet to follow all measurements conveniently. You can send results directly from the job site for easier documentation. What we like. This digital manifold brings modern convenience with Bluetooth support for remote monitoring and data logging. If you're a professional who needs accurate, documented readings and the ability to work efficiently in harsh environments, this smart tool is ideal. What people say. Very accurate as long as you maintain, i.e., purging with nitrogen, keeping clean and not letting sit in car year-round. Love these gauges, very accurate and easy to use. Can check superheat and subcooling easily and great to check if AC system is holding a nitrogen pressure test and a timer for how long. Easier to use than standard gauges. The clamps are great, they are worth $50 alone. Most people who sell this gauge only sell the gauge and they sell it for $300 plus. Also, I would strongly suggest having a regular set of gauges manifold to use for vacuums. Number 2. BACOENG 3.6 CFM AC Vacuum Pump and Gauge Set. This set features a 3-way manifold with a sight glass for easy refrigerant flow viewing. It offers high-quality gauges with accurate readings, all housed in a durable aluminum block body. Experience efficient performance with our newly designed compact AC vacuum pump. It's portable, powerful, and boasts a 3.6 CFM flow rate with a 1.4 HP motor. Work with confidence using the 3 high-strength hoses, compliant with SAE J2196 standards. Each 5-foot hose is color-coded for easy identification, red for high pressure, blue for low pressure, and yellow for the vacuum pump. This kit is perfectly suited for our 410A mini-split systems. It includes everything you need, such as refrigerant hoses, our 410A adapters, a toolkit, vacuum oil, and a manual. This vacuum pump and gauge set is your go-to solution for servicing home mini-split air conditioning systems using our 410A refrigerants. Need to service automotive AC systems? With the addition of our 134A car quick couplers, this tool becomes versatile enough for our 134A repairs as well. What we like. This kit uniquely includes a 3.6 CFM vacuum pump, making it a complete solution for our 410A mini-split systems. If you're a DIYer or technician working specifically with our 410A and need an all-in-one vacuum and charging solution, this is incredibly convenient. What people say. Easy to use and no leaks found. The pump pulled the vacuum quickly and did not get hot even though I ran it for another half hour to give any moisture enough time to be removed. The gauges are easy to set up and use, and seal very well. I left them connected to the AC system overnight to make sure there were no leaks. Neither the AC nor the gauge set leaked any vacuum. Number 1. Fieldpiece SM382V Wireless SMAN Refrigerant Manifold. Introducing the advanced digital refrigerant manifold and micron gauge. It's designed for efficient HVAC and refrigeration diagnostics and service. This digital manifold gauge accurately measures both low and high pressure. It also provides precise superheat and subcooling calculations. Featuring protected thermocouple jacks, it allows for easy measurement of pipe and outdoor temperatures. This 4-valve manifold with a vacuum gauge offers seamless connectivity. You can connect job link psychrometer probes directly to the SMAN system. It is equipped with data logging capabilities for comprehensive record keeping. Plus, it offers temperature-compensated system tightness testing. What we like. This advanced digital manifold offers wireless capabilities and integrates with other Fieldpiece tools for comprehensive diagnostics. If you're a professional HVAC technician looking for cutting-edge digital tools that provide detailed system analysis and data logging, this unit offers superior functionality. What people say. Works very well as an AC pressure set. I wanted something accurate that is refrigerant agnostic, as I used anything from our 22 to our 134 to our 32 with the various systems on my property. I highly recommend this as your last AC gauge set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.